Yo, okay. It's day 2. Let's get this over with. So what am I doing? I'm doing some coding challenges on this thing called cody.tech, which I used to learn Rust. So basically, I've been learning Rust for like a year and a half now, and I feel like I'm getting rusty, so I'm going back and just doing random coding challenges so I can get, I've just been too dependent on AI. And today we're drinking one of these new blueberry raptors. So good. All right, well, without let's get going. All right, so I think yesterday we did like variables. Now we're gonna click on operators. Let's find this coding challenge. Modulo operator. Let's go here. Okay, let's see. Write a code that initializes the 2 variables. Blah blah blah. With the values 9, 20, 2.6, and 11 respectively. Okay, that's like the Modulo operator. Oh, Buzzy and your name is Buzzy and your Buzzy. Alright, later. Oh, I have no expected output here. Oh, he gave us some shit. I don't want to see that. Alright, so let's see. Let's go and quit being lazy about it. So we got our main function, and let's go ahead. Alright, so we gotta write 3 code that initializes 3 variables, A, B, and C, values blah 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 blah. After that, do the following ones. Okay, I think we can manage that. First is let A, that's a I32, and what is that? 9, yep. Alright. So let's let B, same. What do we say? B is float 65. And that, actually, I'm right, what the hell is going on? And that's a 2.6. Okay, now we're gonna let the Charlie, I32, and respectively. All right, now we're gonna do the rest, which is boring let D. So it's I32 says, yeah, okay. All right, so this is where it's going to be a little challenging because we got to do A, we're hold it A, and then we got to use that in like, what the hell, this operator, whatever, percentage operator, 2. No, not enough. And that would be a Modulo 3. So it goes A, A, B, B, C. Alright, so let F equals I32. No. Float 64. And we're going to do, that is the D. What is this? 1.5. Nope. Alright, well that's G. 64 equals, that's the B also, and because it's a percentage, we're going to let it also do 2.9 because it's a float. And let it do E, F, G, H. And that is on the top back to I32. And it is C. Modulo operator, Modulo, whole number, and that's that. now, let me check out all my print statements below. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and that is A, print. I hope that is right. Yeah, it is. So this operator should return the remainder, and looks like something with division and a leftover. So yeah, I think so. Let's give it a run. Boom! Bazinga! Bazinga! This is so basic, but I was like fucking a little bit unsure about it. All right, so we're gonna do that one. All right, let's see if we can kick off one more for the days go. Oh, but first, let me make sure you guys are seeing this. All right, yes, and great, and we're still recording. All right, so our arithmetic shortcuts. Let's check that out. Okay, you were given a code. Don't delete this line. Count. Okay. Is to add the following operators in this order. Add 4 to count by 2. Subtract 1 from the count. Alright, let's think about this. Give me the code. Well, I already know that the count is set. I'm going to set it down here and let's pick it out. So now we just kind of like have rock on. Alright, so we know that we have this mutable count. 32, 0. So now we should be like counting. And that should be like a plus or minus. Not plus or equal. Multiply, so the count is where it starts. Then we got a little multiply, and then that should be 2. Okay, so we got plus 4 times 2, and then the last one is count, and it should be minus, and that should be 1 there. And then let me check out the print statement. Count there. Yeah, we should be good here. Let's rock it. Boom! Repeat success. Alright, here. We'll check my weapons for you guys. Anyways, alright, well, we're done for the day. I did my 2 exercises. We'll see you tomorrow. Day 2. Let's not get rusty on the rust. Yeah, we got a little 2-day streak. All right. Peace.